If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, just a reminder here. I want to let everybody know again, tomorrow's Sunday, and if you're keeping up with my Zoom Hangout and with Mr. Announcer's streaming schedule that he has put out, tomorrow's the 10th at 3 p. Central Time here in Texas. Our guest is going to be Tim Cullen. So you might want to write that down. I think it's going to be a very interesting meetup, and this is my first to get to know Tim, and we're going to go from there, okay? So put this down in your notebooks, your phones, your journals, put it on the wall, on the ceiling, on the floor, on the palm of your hand, back of your hand, in the car, wherever you want. I check you tomorrow, my friends. Peace and love to each and every one of you. Be kind to a stranger, and also be kind to yourself. Why not? Don't text, don't drive. Bye-bye. Peace out.